Hey guys, this is Ishwari here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. All of us, as you already know, are going through a very rough time and a very horrid time that I don't think any other generation has had to face. And this time of the pandemic of COVID-19 is really harsh on all of us. And us just have to stay at home and practice social distancing, because that's the only way we can contribute huge respect to everyone who's still working and going out there and putting their lives at risk, especially the medical community. As we're already going to be at home anyway, I feel like we should use this time to our benefit and more productively. So that's why I'm making this video, just to let you all know what I've been doing at home all this while. You all can also try it out and stay at home. It's my sincere request. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. You know, even if you're not the kind of person who generally love to read, if you find something interesting, you tend to pick it up at a bookstore. So I feel like this is the perfect opportunity to, make use of those books and pick up a book and just read. So another thing you all can do is find some good music on iTunes or any other like Spotify. And there's so many underrated artists out there who don't get the recognition that they deserve. What you all can try doing at home is going through these old photo albums that are lying around and just accumulating dust, and you'll never get the time to, actually open them and like reminisce the memories that is there. And so you all can do that. It's a very wholesome and fun activity to do. So you all can learn that instrument that you all have been wanting to for so long. For me, the ukulele is something that I've been wanting to do perfectly for a very long time, and I've gotten around to doing some practice and getting maybe a little close to where I'd want to be. You all have obviously probably started a new show that all the rage is about, Q Money Heist. But the other stuff that you all can do is watch old classics that you all have missed or were released way before you were born or something. Work out, because all of us are sitting at home and eating and becoming very unhealthy. So I feel like all of us have to work out, and there are so many workout routines available. So I use Cult, the app of Cult Live, and they also have a Instagram page. Then there are so many fitness trainers who go live at a certain time on their Instagram, and you can totally check that out as well. Then some other things that you can do is self-care. So at this time, we all know that it's most important to keep your personal hygiene at its best. So washing hands regularly and all that is going to happen. That goes without saying. But the other things you all can do is like, all these home remedy masks are available for different kinds of skin on Pinterest. You all look them up. I'll put some links in the description as well that you all can check out. It's a perfect opportunity to up your Instagram game as well, and you can do so many photo shoots at home. I myself have done so many, and my previous video was all about it. So I'll link it up and you all can totally check that out. So there are so many Instagram trends that are going around about cooking and baking, and there are so many recipes available online as well. So you all should totally try them out. Some of the stuff that we tried was dalgona coffee. Yeah, we gave into that very popular trend. Then there was pancakes, then banana bread, hazelnut mug cake, and there are so many recipes available, and you have all the time, you have all the ingredients, so just make some good out of that. So now you all have so much time to just organize your stuff and clean your cupboard, and even your laptop and phone that has so much extra storage that you can get rid of and don't have the time to. There are so many new folding techniques that are available. I'll show you one on the screen right now as well, and it helps to save space, and also during traveling and all, it just reduces the amount of stuff that you need to carry. So yeah, that could be a fun thing that you all could do. Now that you all have so much time at hand, I'm sure you're already doing this, but you all can play games like Carrom, Uno, Ludo, so many online games, Pictionary, pool table, cards, different variation of cards, PS4 and other things. Painting is really therapeutic for me, and it helps me. And the other thing that you can do is make travel journals of all your trips. Perfect a skill that you've been wanting to perfect for a very long time. So personally, I've been wanting to perfect getting good eyeshadow and eye makeup in general. So I feel like I've started practicing it. Learn a new software. Like in the last video, I spoke about Photoshop and Lightroom and other editing software that you all can try, that you all have been wanting to do for a very long time. Learn a new language that all of you all in general are fascinated by, or you all have been wanting to learn for a very long time, and you all think it will be useful for you later on. This time, your entire family is also at home, so this should be like a perfect opportunity to like bond and get that quality family time that all of y'all have been dying to have but haven't got the chance to because each of y'all is individually so busy. Make a bucket list, because obviously now this time has showed us how unpredictable life can get, and so I feel like a bucket list is the perfect thing to do at this point. This time that all of us are forced to stay at home is going to test our patience. It's going to cause us to think more than we would normally do and cause a lot of mood swings in all of us. So I feel like this is the perfect time also to improve on those soft skills, just like emotional quotient, anger management, depression. If you are going through a hint of it, or frustration management, meditation is going to help a lot. So you all can try that out, and just all these soft skills will help you improve your interpersonal relationships in general. So I feel like this is just going to help you become a better person and improve your personality. So this is a great way to analyze yourself and reflect on how you've been and what you would like to change in yourself. The last thing you want to hear in this video is that you should study. Make cute notes on your iPad, laptop, and or in general use your favorite pens and just go wild. And yeah, that would give you some motivation to study. More on that, how to stop procrastinating video that I had made a while back. I'll link it up here if you haven't watched it yet. Please do check that out. So subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video or even partially liked it. Just hit that thumbs up. Share it with whomever you know. Comment down below as to what you want to see more on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.